All right, today we're going to bring a set, and this is a nail trimmer and actually a razor here. This is actually useful for cutting their hair between their actual hands because they're pretty hairy and you don't know what you're cutting sometimes. So you got to make sure that you cut them properly before you actually start trimming the nail. And the nail is very simple. If you guys can see, there's an actual stone in there that's going to trim down the nail. So the way it works is like you just trim it down like that. And that's pretty much it. That's the noise that you're going to hear on it. And it's fully charged right now, but to charge it, it's very simple. Type C on this one. This is my favorite one because they give you a small little tool to actually shave some of the areas that they're going to have a lot of hair. And of course, you turn it on. That's it. Charging station is a little different on this one right here. It's going to require a different connection because it takes more power. But they give you both cables. All right, so we're going to put this to use and see how it works. All right, so the way it works are simple tools. All right, and this is how it works. You grab his nails, but before we do that, see how much hair he has. You got to trim it down a little bit just so you can see where you're going to cut. Look at that, just a little bit so you can see where you're going to cut. Good boy. So we're going to start with this one right here. But before we do that, it's a little dark in here. So cut a little bit here. This is good for their back of the ears too and other places too. But mostly it's for his nail. And he's okay with it. He likes this kind of stuff. So it's therapy for him. And then you grab the cap. And all you got to do is grab his nail. That's pretty much it. This is perfect for dogs. Look at it. Trim it down. You know where you're cutting. It won't hurt them because it has a protected place. And that's it. Very simple tools. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.